Yo, we back, man. Day 11. Day 11. I ain't tired yet, but I should went that way. I ain't tired yet, but it's for sure stressful. I'm talking about for sure. But yeah, man, we got did we get everything done? Yeah, we got everything done. What we gonna do right now, as far as the oil change, the oil change, the mounts, got all that done. So I was waiting on Dalton to come by, finish things up, which is cold as shit today. Like it's 37 degrees now. It was 29 this morning when I got up. Whole car was a sheet of ice. I'm about to go over here and drop Kane's Toyota tool off. And I'm headed to work, man. Took the girls to school this morning. Duty in big school now, so he started at 8, so it's kind of conflicting. I ain't gonna be able to take him and take the girls too, so I actually took him and dropped Nunny off. So yeah, man, we moving and grooving like that. Hopefully, man, it need to get up. The temperature need to get up high enough today, man, 'cause I need to wash these cars. These joints filthy. Like on a whole nother level. But let me pull up on Kane, get him this tool, and head on to work. Yeah. Yo, what's going on, man? So I done been to work, came home. I ain't really recorded no video today. And I was wondering why. Like, why I ain't recorded today? I done left out a whole segment of the other night. Was that last night? No, it was Saturday night. I done left out a whole segment of Saturday night. And I'm just looking at my camera to see it like, did I post this? So, here goes the segment that I left out of Family Uno night. When I was drunk. This is right before we went to Crystal's. Here you go.
What did I do?
No, don't say trash.
Hey guys,
I'm just getting tired of the word. It's getting a little old, you know.
Would you rather we say dumpster juice?
Don't say that none of this.
Just say they sorry. Y'all slow. How about that? You say that?
you slow.
Dude, it said dumpster juice.
What is it? But I'm a chicken nigga now. What's girl, bruh? Let me dance, bruh.
Let her dance. Let her dance, bro. Margo. Let her dance, bro.
Bree is sick of this shit. She don't want no part of this damn
I
family.
just dance like that.
She just want to wear her puffs and go play on her phone.
I just dance too.
Watch out, stop.
Okay. But it's nice.
Like the company finna.
Nice is my favorite. None of it.
I like Monopoly.
Okay, everybody want to play.
I like to play Shoots and Ladders.
There's Monopoly in there, but I'm just trying. What about Jenga?
Jenga, that ain't a board game.
It's for the board game?
No,
What kind of game is it?
a block game.
It ain't no board game. But it ain't.
Wait a minute.
Not it.
So what kind of game is it, dude?
It's a block game. Ain't a board game.
I guess a puzzle game. It ain't really a board
Yeah,
game.
it's more like a.
Yeah, it's more like a puzzle game.
I
Like
There ain't no board.
together.
It ain't no board to play the game on, so it's not a board game.
So it's considered a game.
Alright, so let's get a 10,000 piece puzzle and put together.
But y'all put it together. We gonna put it together on Keith's table.
Yeah, 10,000 piece puzzle. 10,000 piece.
We gonna start Christmas Day.
I love the Ouija boards.
Nah, we ain't doing no 10,000 piece. You know how long a 10,000 piece puzzle gonna take?
Board up in this house one more time, I'm gonna put you in the trash.
Trash.
I ain't play with you, Jordan. I don't play about that stuff now. Them spirits. I don't play about them spirits.
Hey,
See, it's already something. You talking about some
You got one more time.
a thousand piece puzzle.
With your
oh God.
with your bed. She can cut the grass with them toes. All you gotta do is hold her like this. She having to cut them just with her toe there, you know, the big toe.
I zoomed in on
Yeah, hey man. If I could have had a camera, like up in the corner of the room somewhere, man, while all that was going on, bruh.
What?
That, oh my God, that night was funny.
The plate's not ready yet.
It was so funny. But yeah, man.
Oh.
I really wanted to share that with y'all. So y'all, you know what I'm saying? Man, it was crazy. But yeah, man, this is a little family fun, you know what I'm saying? Dead 11. So, day 12, I'm gonna try to bring y'all a little more excitement. Might jump to another topic or something, I don't know, but yeah. And y'all see that? Them boy won last night, man. I watched this. This is my third. I think this is my third game I done watched all season. Every game I done watched, I think they won. I think. I ain't sure, but you know what I'm saying. Like but I guess I'm getting older, and I ain't really like. I got real like responsibilities going on, so I ain't really just been caring about no football, watching football, or dedicating my whole day to football. Maybe I get back to that one day, but right now I ain't there. Like I be doing other stuff. I be doing dash, and I be dealing with family. I be, you know what I'm saying, just doing other stuff. So I don't really be into it like that. I mean, Ashley done asked me a couple times, like, baby, you ain't gonna watch the game today? I don't really care to. You know what I'm saying? Like I'd rather be doing something else. So, but yeah, man, I'm finna go ahead and get this video uploaded for y'all. It's 8:30. I know, but I in my defense, when I got off work, I got straight in the car with Ashley, and we do a dash for a second, and then we had to go and get Ashley, and then we had to go and do some other stuff. Then we had to go and pick the kids up. So I really didn't have a bunch of free time. But yeah, man. So y'all know where we at. Man, 100 likes, man. 100 likes, 75, I won't be mad. I'm just trying to get in the algorithm, man. You know what I'm saying? Check the links. I will be putting some links up soon. I'm gonna be putting some links up soon. On some stuff for MayRose. So yeah. And what's that?
Oh, it's an air pump in the closet hallway.
So yeah, I'll be doing that. And but yeah, check them links, man. Like, do the regular, like, comment, subscribe, share, tell somebody else. You know what I'm saying? But with that being said, man, it's your dog, Big Beelo, Mr. Ain't It Man himself, man. Shaking out of here, man, with another day of Vlogmas, man. And I'll catch y'all tomorrow.